Guys, since we talked in my very first vlog about Tesla, about on the 16th June 2019, you could make, as you can see here in the chart, 861%. Now the question is why I invested in Tesla and what is the next Tesla and much more here in this vlog, so stay tuned, let's go. After you smash the like button, I will tell you the most frequent asked question on wherever it's online, through Instagram, or people when they see me in live or in real and talk to me. It's the question how and why you invested into Tesla. And I always say the same, well, never short the future, okay? I know there's so many people out there, or there were in 2019, that said, you know, Tesla will never make a difference in the automotive industry. And exactly this is what it's totally wrong, okay? Today, in 2020, Tesla grew 24%, as you can see here in this graphic, more than 20% sales in Germany, while all other brands, you know, selling less. And this is the best proof of concept and proof of innovation, when in the most critical time, the innovator showing why it's really worth to buy a Tesla car. And you know, we knew, or some of you knew that jumped with me on it, that actually, you know, we could see that there is something different about Tesla, okay? First of all, it was a heavy shorted stock. So the potential here is, if they succeed, the stock gets hugely pushed by short sellers that have to bring back their stocks that they put into the market and sold them. Other than that, you know, you have seen a very big and futuristic CEO, very hardworking team, and the product that in the future, and that's why I'm saying long-term is so important, if you're having a product that's faster, it's more digitalized, it's more sexy. I mean, sexy is even, you know, the word is obviously the design technical wise, I think a taste thing, but truly, you know, the cars are nice with the double doors, you know, that open in the Model X, or the new Roadster that is coming. I mean, those are very interesting car designs. However, you see also the engineering in those cars were pretty amazing, you know, and the cars had so many problems, right? I mean, the car, if you bought it, you know, in a couple of years ago, like 2007, you know, so many things didn't work. And suddenly they make an update over the air, right? And all is gone. Your Lemonade, that was the faulty Tesla car, was a very well, you know, programmed and very nice functioning car. So, you know, those signs with just, you know, where you just wake up and see the product that it's so amazing, and you're thinking like, and you did it all over the air, then it's a really interesting thing, okay? So innovators, hardworking team, product and vision of the future, and just, you know, obviously a really good timing. And you know, about the timing, I can tell you something in the next category, because this is also very important. Timing in an investment is very important. Well, let's look into when and why I invest into 2019 as well as 2018. You know, I saw there's a very big change going on with Tesla, okay? We have seen that the stock went really 10x time within the last couple of years, but there could be a very good potential if they figure out the Model 3 that, you know, next 3 or 4 times, you know, your 400% comes really quick. So this was actually my trading or my investment idea in the first place, where I said, I will just keep on adding every month because we never know if it goes down, and actually it did go down when I bought it. It went, from somewhere 250 pre-split price, obviously, to about 278 was the lowest, and I just kept on buying. So I reduced my average to, I think, $250 per share, which was amazing, right? Because we crossed 10 times this value easily in the next couple of months to go, and then there was the crisis and so on and so forth. So I think the setup for Tesla was so good that you barely see this in other stocks. And I think, and here we go with the camera, and I think that we are really, really, really important. And I think the camera goes again, so let's good that we don't edit here anything. So here we go. It's stable like it should be. So again, I would like you to understand that the timing obviously was very perfect in 2019. I would love to, have always the right timing, which is impossible. And as you can see, my first trades or my first investments into Tesla, the stock went in the total other direction that it should be for me. But I was happy because I knew this is a very long-term investment, which gave me the relaxation to just buy more and more and more Tesla, which was obviously very, very nice to finally be so gladly, rewarded by the huge explosion of value for Tesla and all the shareholders. And if you were with me in 2019 already, when I started this YouTube channel, then congratulations for you as well. Let me quickly, shake your hand for that. And obviously, if you want to be informed what is the next Tesla stock or the next opportunity, then don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to be on the very much forefront on my news releasing or investment releasing, make sure to check out the join button below all the videos and live streams, and you will be informed as soon as I make a move or I share something in the community, because it takes some time to make these beautiful videos, even though I'm doing those on every single day basis and doing live streams. So it's really worth for you to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you want to appreciate my work. And let's dive into the conclusion, because now you are thinking, okay, what this guy behind this camera want to tell me, right? And I will tell you that I really would like to focus on the right companies. Okay, I'm not that much of a fan of splitting your investment into 30, 40, 50 companies, because this is just a really proven method to show that you aren't convinced and you didn't spend the time into your research of investment. This is number one success if you want to be in this game. Okay, I'm doing this obviously professionally, so I'm really knowing now how much work it is to find a stock like Tesla, but I'm doing the work. I'm sharing this for free for you, so I always appreciate all what you are giving me back, because that's obviously very, very interesting, and I'm very, very glad about that. So I want you to take away that sometimes the most difficult investments are really those that, most of the people will say, this will never work. I think, focusing on companies that creating the end product is very, very more interesting than having a supplier in the chain of supply chains. So Tesla makes the end product, Apple makes the end product, Amazon makes the end product, and Netflix makes the end product, and so on and so forth. You get the game, because they have so much into say when it comes about marketing, about product chain, about the developments. So they are creating their own future. And sometimes I think there's a quote out there that says, if you cannot predict the future, then just create it, and look for those companies that create those futures, because they will create then your future if you are super engaged in this project. Okay, the project should be how you can advance from companies that changing the world today, that everybody will know tomorrow. All right, so, and you know, I love to share all of this with you guys. If you want to have more, check out the memberships. If not, then I am here for you tomorrow with live streams, with daily vlogs, and smash the like button if you like it, and I see you in just a couple of hours, surely.